Hey all web travelers! Finally, I will open this Maiden Party box. That is their first box that they made. You can see all the rarities. They will be hard to get. I think at best we can end up with one CP. But we will see, maybe I have the lucky box. I actually had it for a long time. Even the plastic started to fucking getting old. I bought it like when they first released it. And then it just stood on my shelf because I did other things, I did other videos. So obviously most of you already have seen it. Thank you for sticking with me and wanting to see this video. And even if you haven't seen it, thank you. I mean, all of you are welcome. The pack is damaged a little bit. Is it only the first pack? No, that's all of them apparently. Yeah, okay. Maybe some factory sizzle. If you're interested in buying this set or any other sets, you can go to the seller in the video description, and while you're ordering, add the note tcgcomrade and you will get one promo pack for free if you order an booster box. And if you have some crazy dooku to spend and you want a really nice golden shiny card for free, you can order for $200 and also add a note tcgcomrade, and then you will be getting 2 of the golden cards for free. I already see kind of difference between this set and their more latest sets. They improved. Goddamn, they haven't. I mean, God, the story is good, but they improved a little bit. But this is a huge step for Maiden Party in improvement, in my opinion. Okay. Ooh, okay. And obviously, as you can see, the theme of this cards is bikini. Well, that's the reason they got very popular at the very beginning, because on the quality wise they're nice, nothing bad about it, but I mean the kind of quality that they do now is way better than this, especially on ultra rares. Goddamn. Okay, we got ourselves a first ultra rare. Interesting. Doesn't look too good in my opinion, but it might be just like unlucky me with some printer issues like there. Whatever. Not to shit on the Maiden Party, because they have really good cards. Okay, that's some pose. Holy shit. Also, the camera doesn't really pick it up. This card appears more greenish. Extremely big difference between how we see it through the lens and how we see it in real life. But okay, I mean, there's a lot to look at, so you're welcome. And now we go, hey, that's, fuck what it's called? I forgot the name of this anime. Even though I watched it. Not all of it, but most of it. And it doesn't help me, because it's written in Japanese or Chinese, and I can't read it. That's a nice addition. Long ago I have seen it. And okay. Looking hella cool. Do we do like some competition between the girls? Shall we do it? I'm not gonna do the booba, because, you know, we did it I think twice. Let's go for the most crazy bikini. So far I haven't seen something crazy, so okay. Ultra rare. Okay, that's cool. Looking kawaii. See, this one is looking better on the quality wise, so I just got unlucky with the other one. Shit happens. A very nice angle, I do like it. This one doesn't have that green color fully above it. Wait a second, can I compare them? I can compare them. This one looks better at colors, but at the same time, yeah, you can even see it in the lens. Or I got again unlucky with, you know, these packs. Or it's just something that they had on the beginning. Hey, that's Fate. That must be Fate. I really like it. Or they have something at the beginning where they didn't have that much control on the quality. Which now, from looks of it, they do. Yeah, it was Fate. Okay, very nice. Very nice. I like this card. But so far, not really a nice bikini of crazy bikini. An ultra rare BB or 8888. I don't fucking know what the... Fate, also Fate. Okay, interesting. Ooh, tell me, is it 88 or is it BB? What the fuck? Hey, first double. Well, okay then. That's way too fast. And another doubles. Okay, all of them? I can't remember. Yeah, they're all of them. Hey, CP, let's go! Let's go, we got a Sepe, looking nice. Also, I think this one considers a little bit also crazy bikini, because what the fuck is this? It doesn't even look like a bikini, so this will be our pile for the bikini contestants. And again, we are starting with doubles, very interesting. Okay, I've seen you 3 times in a row now. Ultra rare double. Ah, that pains me so much. What the fuck? How many ultra rares are there? Like you can even see it on the pack. There are 15. Okay, that's not that much. So I'm obviously gonna get some doubles. Because I believe there are 20 packs in here. Okay, that's a cool one. Oh, sticky. Hey, Fate, let's go, let's go. I have also my Fate pile just in the corner of the table, so you can see it. But okay, a double and oh, a double again. How can this happen to me? Alice Symphony is 30. I think I have seen you in other sets, and I made the joke that she is 30. And a lot of double. How many SSR are there? That's not a double, that's also not the doubles. Thank you. Do we consider it some crazy bikini? I don't know. It's a little bit different than the rest, but it's not crazy. Okay, question pile. Also, how many SSR? 35, and I get so much doubles. Are you fucking kidding me? Thank you. At least one card that I don't have yet. Although it's fun sword art, but I don't mind. Sticky? Oh, okay, sword art pack. Cool, very nice. Hey, all the new cards. Except for this one, obviously, of course. And freaking ultra rare that I already have. How many times? 2 times? 3 times? I can't remember. Hey, that's from ReZero. That's the girl who people doesn't want to see, but they want to see another one. And I don't know why. They're the same. Hey, sword art again. I also kind of do like this bikini, so I'm gonna put it there. She obviously not gonna win it, I think. Goddamn. But yeah, give me more of this, because I don't have freaking enough. Come on, man, what the fuck is this shit? How unlucky can I get? Box, you're not really selling it right now, because I have a lot of doubles, and I don't freaking know that's a new one. That's a lot of sword art in here. And ultra rare and duo card. I think we are like on through the half of them. Which is a little bit concerning, considering how many doubles I got in ultra rare slot. But I don't know if it's just me, an unlucky person, or is it... Hey, oh, that's 30. I already forgot how she looks like. Or is it just like this box? It just happens. How many can we get? Come on, give me at least 10 of them. Then I would be really depressed. So far also, again, the doubles for SSR. Hey, that's not a double. Is it also from this anime? Let's see. If we see at the back, I got again. No, that's definitely another anime. Well, okay then. And yeah, this for the 3rd time. So far, I mean, I thought it would be epic to see the most interesting bikini, but as it turns out, a lot of them are doubles and in the kind of normal bikini, and of course again an ultra rare double. They don't have that problem in the recent sets because they have more hits, I believe, or more cards in general, because I haven't had that much doubles. Holy shit. Okay, give me SLR. For all this freaking disaster, I deserve an SLR now, and you can't say it otherwise. You can't convince me. I deserve it. Come on, give it. Give it to me, hey Fate. Of course, that's not what oh wait. That's this one. That's not what I meant. Do I already have all the SSR? It's like 35, what was it? 35. No, it just can't be. I can't have all of them. I only see like the rotation of freaking 10 SSR and that's it. And I get again the ultra rare that I have. Okay, now is the time when I ask for your support, because this is really shit. Maybe like this video if you like it. I mean, you're free to dislike it if you don't like it, but let me know in the comments. What do you think about this box, and if you opened it, had you the same unlucky shit? New card, and it's in Counter Lady, my favorite character for the anime. and Fate again, and Ultra Rare that I already have, because why the fuck not? I'm not even displaying them anymore here, because it's freaking disaster. It's a mess. Probably all they're sticking together. Whoa! Oh, SSP! I got fucking SSP. Let's go. That's like the highest rarity if they're in order, but I think they are in order. Okay, I asked for SLR, but SSP is also good. I don't know who the fuck this is, and already noob tune it is, and already see some freaking factory shit, some golden cum in her face. So that's a shame, but I mean, okay, I take it. It's still an SSP that I don't have, and probably no one have it with the same cum in her face. So, okay, on the scale of the good hits, the high hits, it's been good. I got 2 of them, but freaking ultra rare, oh man, it's fucking disaster. What is this shit? Okay, who the fuck are you? Holy shit. You look kind of familiar, but I don't know who you are. But it's a new SSR card, which we haven't seen it. And I believe this one is also new. And this one isn't. And oh, this one is definitely new. So, okay, interesting. And of course, that was the last pack, by the way. Of course, we're gonna end up on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 freaking double of this ultra rare card and me right here. And I think from this 3 these 3 waifus, Jesus, I can't speak, that I chose from all 3, this one is probably the most craziest. Because, I mean, look at that. She has fucking collar on her neck. And then I suppose this is leather, that black outlining. It's a freaking bikini, but she has like shorts and then some kind of boots. But also, like, you can see it's summer boots because her feet are nude. Come on, naked, whatever. So yeah, that's definitely, in my opinion, the craziest bikini that we have seen today. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that. And really, thank you for watching, and I see you in another one, Web Traveler.